welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a very exciting video. It's going to be one that is very informative. I hope you guys are excited. Make sure to subscribe down below. Also turn that post notification bell on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys will know. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to grow your YouTube channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 14 and I thought I would kick it off with another informative video, one that will actually make you want to watch my channel. So yeah, it's not just a vlog. Today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make this into your full-time income and how to make this your full-time job. I know it's very competitive these days with like how to stand out in the YouTube community, and I really want just everyone to know that it is possible and that it will take time, but it is possible to make a full-time income from YouTube. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my first tip is organize your life and prioritize your efforts. So what I mean by this is you will make time for what you want to make time for. So we all have the same 24 hours in a day, and you know, we will all make time for the things that we truly want to spend our time on. So if you truly want to make a full-time income from YouTube, you will make the time to create that content and to edit that content, get that content up for us. You will make that time. So organize your life. Can you swap out some things that you could potentially use that time for YouTube? So what I mean by this is, can you swap out some Netflix time or some time with your friends for working on your YouTube channel and growing your potential business and your brand? This is something that you really need to take into consideration, because if you don't, then you will have so much time drifting away from you and you just won't understand, like, where did all this time go? I wanted to work on my YouTube, but I don't know where my time is going. Really organize your life, prioritize your time, and you will see where your time is going, how much time is going to what, and it will just make your life 10 times easier. My second tip is challenge yourself. So, okay, I'm doing Vlogmas right now. This is a challenge. This is like a guaranteed way to share with my subscribers that, hey, I'm going to be uploading a video every single day up until Christmas. This is going to really help people to want to come back to your channel and watch the new content that you're uploading. Challenge yourself. Just like you create new habits in life, create new habits for your YouTube channel. So let's say that you want to do a uploading 2 times a week challenge. Tell people that and make it to where they can hold you accountable for those goals, so that you do it and you know that people are watching you to make sure that you will do it. So yes, challenge yourself, make sure that you're staying consistent and all of that. That stuff will really come in handy in the long run. My third tip, invest back in yourself. Okay, so YouTube and any social media like work is one of the most low-cost businesses ever. YouTube is free to start up. That's insane. But the way that you make it grow is you invest into yourself. So I personally have a Canon camera. I have a Rebel T7i or whatever, and I don't ever use it. I use my phone like all the time. So you can definitely start small and build your way up to more expensive equipment. You don't have to start investing a ton of money just starting out. You can literally use your iPhone and start out filming with that. That's what I'm filming on right now, and the camera quality is amazing because you don't have to spend a ton of money to be successful. So I'm fixing to get me a Canon G7X Mark II, but that will come in time. You don't have to get that immediately. You can just start with your phone and build up from there. And also, an editing software is very key. So if you have a MacBook like I do, you can use iMovie. That's what I use. It's super simple to use and it's so easy. It's so easy to maneuver. I'm fixing to upgrade to Final Cut Pro. So you can always make these small little changes as you grow with your channel, but you don't have to make these changes immediately when you first start, because you don't know if this is something that you want to do for the rest of your life. So you want to try it out, see if you enjoy it, and if you enjoy it, then invest into yourself because you know you're going to stick with it. My fourth tip is to stop showing perfectionism. Okay, nothing is perfect in the YouTube community. Okay, people always just share with people like their perfect items in their life. What I mean by this is people share the best moments. They don't share all the nitty gritty. Some people will only share what they enjoy about their life. So no, they won't show everything deep down. That's why I say done is better than perfect. So for instance, getting 2 videos up than one that are done instead of one perfect video that's going to make you tons of revenue, just do 2 videos more than one. 2 is always better than 1. It's good for a number of reasons. So it's going to help you to reach a wider audience, and it's also going to be good for monetization purposes. So let's say that you put 2 videos up and they do really great, but they're done and they're not perfect. That's going to be amazing for you because you're going to be making money off of 2 videos instead of just 1. That's why it's better for monetization purposes. My 5th tip is you want to utilize all of your platforms. So you want to use your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook pages. You want to utilize all of those platforms because then when you link them in your description box of your YouTube videos, then people will go over to those platforms and they'll get a wider view of who you are as a person. So then people will really want to hone down and watch you and see who you are, see what your life entails, all of that. And that's what's really going to help you to gain a wider audience because then you're really sharing who you are as a person on all of your platforms. And that's why I use my Instagram a lot as well as my Facebook, but I don't give my Facebook off because of course it's a personal page. But I use my Instagram a lot for like my branding purposes, and I use my YouTube. And my TikTok. TikTok is also another great way to share off your life because you can literally make videos and it's like so fun. So do that too. So you want to just use all of your platforms. Now for some general tips, okay? So just be patient with the process. Nothing is going to happen overnight. I'm still not making money from this channel, and I'm going to be completely honest about it. But I love what I do. I love doing YouTube videos. That's why I continue to do it every single day because I know in the long run it's going to make something for me. And it's going to happen and it's going to work. But it's got to take work to get work. So that's what I mean. Like, you know, you want to be patient with the process. You want to enjoy it. Enjoying it is the most important part because if you don't like it, you're not going to make any money from it because people can see right through you. And you want to be creative. Being creative is amazing. I love being creative. This is why I love making my videos on my YouTube channel. Then you want to stay motivated. You want to make sure that you're consistent and that you're motivated to wake up every single day and do this because this will potentially be your job in the future. Things come with time for that. And then appreciate everyone. If you just have 100 subscribers, appreciate every single one of those subscribers. They follow you for a reason. They're there for you for a reason. They're there to support you for a reason. So make sure you appreciate them and share with them that, oh, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And by the way, I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are what's making this work for me. So make sure to appreciate everyone. Comment on all of their comments. Make sure that you're responding. That's what I like to do because I appreciate every single one of you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.